Giant Niners fan. Where can I find the UV blocking long sleeve shirts? Haven't seen them on the website channel. Well, let's bring it up. Share. Voila. Here we go. Red jersey. Oh, we had brought it down for we had it at $5 or had it. I had it $5 cheaper recently. But apparently the sale's over. So it's at $50 unless you need like a triple X. But yeah. And I think we have all sizes. XL, double X, triple X. We don't have 4X. I know we had guys asking for 4X, and I just don't have 4X. But yeah, we have to get rid of this. We have to sell out of the red ones before we have other colors. So buy this one so we can get other colors. Then I'll sell you on the other color. Anyway. But yes, it's here at the store. You go to watercraftjournal.com, go to store. Or excuse me, not store, shop. Go to shop, and it'll take you to our shop. And you'll see the Watercraft kit, the auxiliary kit, sticker package, which is 2 stickers. It says 1, but you get 2. And then we have our jersey. If you buy the auxiliary kit, you also get 2 stickers. I throw those into the kit. And we still do not have an application for the what's it called? The Ultra Deck. We still don't have one for the Ultra Deck. Because the Ultra Deck the actual mounting tracks that are on the Ultra Deck are 28 inches wide, and that's huge. that's so huge, and we just don't want to redesign. We don't want to redesign a rack for that.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.